A new and updated edition of the only sailing manual that you will ever need. Whether you're a seasoned seafarer or just starting out, this fully revised and updated sailing manual is perfect for all levels of experience. Learn how to handle any sailing situation with thorough coverage of all aspects of sailing and boat ownership. Former British national champion Steve Slight offers a wealth of expert advice and guidance in the form of a complete tuition course on seamanship. The Complete Sailing Manual is the ultimate sailing handbook that is packed with engaging essential information and breathtaking action photography. Handy diagrams, step-by-step artwork, and instructions will teach you all the latest sailing techniques. This updated edition features all of the latest developments in sailing, including foiling, long-distance cruising, and high-speed apparent wind sailing and navigation. Explore new developments in sailing equipment such as modern performance systems, electronic navigation, and ways to use alternative energy on board. Explore the latest rules, regulations, and best practices from collision regulations to safety equipment. This essential sailing book is necessary for every keen sailor, from beginner to expert. Find the link below and buy the book now.